Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the clearance deals, the tool deals, the new tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools and make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So $49.97 for the compact vacuum. That's the vacuum right there from Rigid. And the blower. $59 for the drywall cut tool, $79 for the adhesive gun, $119 for the 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries. Those are the 2 amp hour batteries that they have. Personally, I wouldn't pay that much for these. The cut up drywall gun is not too bad. $49.88 for the crown stapler. That's it right there. And then they're still running these deals. If you guys can still find them, 1 3/4 15 degree nailers. They got some roofing nailers. They got some framing nailers for $149. And then you got these Diablo blades, the demolition blades. So it's like a nail in the wood type of blade. Got $12.97. Your choice here: the utility knife or the utility blades. 75 pack, so definitely check it out. And then if you guys can still find these 5 amp hour batteries, good luck with that, because they're hard to find. But there's still a lot of tools left, so if you can find those batteries, you guys can still get your free battery with the purchase of a tool. So the fan $119, the sander $129, oscillating tool $129, impact wrench $149, router $199, and then the nail guns all the way to the top. So if you guys can find that deal, make sure you guys pick it up, because you're gonna be lucky if you find it. So $149 for the 6 and the 4, I believe. Yeah, the 6 and the 4. That's a 2-pack. So $149 for that. And you got a 21-piece black oxide, $19.97. And you got this kit $129. It's atomic brushless, with basic batteries. They don't even have a gauge. It's just a starter kit, like a home DIY starter kit. Then they got this one here with the oscillating tool. It's a much better deal, $159. Got the Max Impact 2-piece nut drivers, and then you got the rapid load countersink set, so 3-piece, $19.97. Then you got the stud finders, $119 or $19.97. Not bad deal. So I guess it detects more than just studs. $47.97 and $54.97 for the 12-inch and the 10-inch. 44 tooth and 40 tooth. So definitely check it out. It's a great deals for those miter saws. And then they got this on clearance. This is the vacuum attachment, $37 from $39. So a couple bucks off. And they're still running this deal, guys. We did see this online for as low as $132 with if you return the batteries. So definitely check it out. Try it online, see if it works. You might be able to get it cheaper. If you want to return the batteries, you can. If not, then make sure you guys check out that video. And they got this on clearance, $179. It's a drill driver, impact driver with the hammer drill. Brushless, 18 bolts from Rigid. Was $299. Now they got this, the 2-step lightweight aluminum step stool. $25 basically. 250 pound capacity. You can reach up to 8.2 feet. Gorilla ladders. Really like the plastic on the top. You can put your tools and stuff. $19.97 for the shockwave set. As you guys could see, you got some nut drivers there, a magnetic sleeve. You got some 1-inch bits, 40 piece from Milwaukee. $24.97 for a 15-piece titanium bit set. I really like titanium bits. They're pretty much what I buy, what I go to, because I don't really like the other kinds of bits. They just don't last as long. Those are titanium 23 piece. Those are cobalt. That's a 23 piece, $34.97. And they got the cutoff tool, $139. That's the M12. That's the smaller one. And they got that battery in the charger with the 4 amp hour for $179, which I think it's a little high. Then they got this deal. This one's the newest deal. You basically buy any of those kits on the left and you get that battery for free. It's a CCP 2 amp hour battery. Guys, this is a great deal, especially with that radio, the cutoff tool, the reciprocating saw, and the installation driver kit. Getting a second battery. That's a really good deal. So definitely check it out, guys. You guys can mix and match. You guys can hack this if you guys want. Get that ratchet and hack it. Get it at a discount price. So definitely check it out. Even that kit, the impact driver and drill driver kit, it's a really good deal too. And you can look for the tools on the bottom there if you guys could find them. These are the new sockets that just came out from Milwaukee. Shockwave 3/8 SAE deep, $39.97. And they do come with a nice organizer there and impact driver bit or adapter. Those are the packouts. I guess they got it on sale, but it's not really a sale. It's just pretty much regular price. So $129 for the rolling toolbox, $79 for the medium box, and $69 for the smaller box. I really like my packout. It's just that sometimes it just gets too pricey. Just gotta wait for those Black Friday deals. You know, I did get this, managed to get this for like $100 and something. So, in like a instant deal, the only at that time was $100. So, and then we got this on clearance. We got the $129 for the circular saw. Always check the prices, guys. Make sure you guys have the associates check the prices, because sometimes these prices are old and it's much less than what, you know, a lot of people don't know exactly what the price is until you check it. So if you're interested in a certain item, and look at the dates, make sure when it was last updated, the price. Got the 4.5 angle grinder. Then you got a drill here. It looks like a brushed drill. I don't think it's a brushless, but it is a hammer drill. And then they got this circ saw, the Dewalt Circle Saw to the right. This thing's a beast. The worm drive circular saw, $3.99. Must be cheaper than that. Hopefully it's cheaper than that. That's a really nice saw. Definitely check it out. Yeah, all this clearance section. Look at this, $588 for the 15 feet indoor-outdoor extension cord. That's not bad. 15 feet, 16 gauge. Then they got this, the weed whacker for $99. Guys, Jeff Ostroff found a mower, a Ryobi mower for $124. I'll show you guys the model a little later here after we go through the clearance. We got the Echo here. I don't know if it's $249. That's for the attachment. This is the mower that he found. The thing is that one says 6 amp hour batteries. The ones that he found for 124 said 7.5 amp hour batteries. So if you guys find this mower, this exact same mower with those 7.5 amp hour batteries in your Home Depot, make sure you guys run to the associate and make sure you guys double check the price. Chances are you're probably going to end up getting it as a really low clearance price. So definitely check out his video. He has some awesome deals too. You got Subcompact Drill Kit 128 was $159. Got the hammer drill 135 was $149. Makita. And they're on the wrong place, by the way. You got the Subcompact 2 amp hour impact driver kit 128 was $159. Then this, guys, this is the new fan from Ryobi. This is a portable fan, 1997. If you have those Ryobi batteries, make sure you guys pick one of these up. You know, if you want to put it on your shop where you work, your desk, your truck, whatever. You know, your garage. It's a very small portable fan there. Definitely check it out. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That way YouTube grows the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.